How to create EDpuzzle assignments. First, you need to open a browser. On our campus, I found the Mozilla Firefox browser most consistently works well. Go to the website. And I have mine already saved to log in automatically. If you don't, you would click on Login, or to start, obviously, teacher or student. So I'll just log in, and there you go. Once you're in, it lists your classes. This is the class I'm currently teaching with all of my assignments. If you don't want to be in your classes, you can click on My Content. So these are all the videos that I have uploaded to my EDpuzzle account. Some of them I've created, such as these. Some of them I've used from other sources. I'm not very good with animation, so there's some nice ones out there from Khan Academy or other sources. To steal from somebody else, I should say to borrow, you can just type in the search field or use Numberphile, Khan Academy, whatever you want as your source. Right now it's restricted to other videos that are created by EDpuzzle as my source. So I'll look for grammar rules. Okay. Notice Grammar Rules Part 1 keeps showing up because within EDpuzzle, lots of different people have used this particular video. Right. So if you want to get to the original, you might want to go to YouTube. There it is. That looks like it's the original. So if you want to see what it's like, you can play it and get a preview of the original video. You can just copy it into your account to look at later, or you can use it, and then that brings you straight into the editing feature. You can crop, make it shorter from the beginning or the end so that you can skip the unhelpful intro, or if it's just too long of a video, you could use half and then make another assignment with the second half, something like that. You can add your own audio track. You can make an audio note. So just write in there. I'm not going to do it now, but you can put in a note where it pauses the video and they hear your voice. Or what I use most often are quizzes. So click on the question mark, and then you can have an open-ended question, a multiple choice question where you get to add as many answers as you'd like, or just a comment. So here's an audio comment, here's a typed comment that's not graded. These the computer can grade because they know what the right answer is. These you're going to have to grade when you get back in. I'm not going to assign it to any class because this isn't really helpful. So to upload videos that are not from the web, you can create by uploading a video. So when I've saved files on my computer, choose files, I just look in here and upload my own videos that I've used Smartboard to create. Once I've created those files, here's an example. I've added quiz questions right in the middle. So here's a multiple choice question I created based on what I've already taught them in this class. Once I've finished completing all of that, I would have saved it and then assigned it, and then it will show up in that class's list of assignments with the due date, and then I get to see who's completed each video. To grade the videos then, you would look at the progress. So Here are some that aren't at 100%. Here's one where I assign videos that's not at 100%. So let me click on progress, and it shows how everyone is doing. Now, I just paused the video and created a little screen here to block the student names for privacy. But it will list the students who has not watched and who has watched the video. You can sort by that. Oh, that's good. You can sort by their grade, or what I usually do is sort by name so that it shows up more easily to enter into the grade book. It also shows their grade according to the quizzes I did. There were 6 questions, so most students got, you know, 4 out of 6 right, or 3 out of 6 right, or 5 out of 6 right, or all 6 out of 6 right. Right, so the percentage is based on how they did on the questions. To grade them, if there are any outstanding to grade, someone did theirs late, you click on grade. Let's block those names again. So type in an example of a 1 variable polynomial. Okay, they didn't answer that. I don't have to grade that. The other questions, not sure why it told me I had one open to grade. Oh, this one here. So that question asked, what fraction does 14 out of 21 reduce to? It does reduce to 2 out of 3. So I'm going to check that correct. And then that has affected their grade within EDpuzzle. Now, to see the grades, there is this function called a grade book. But they will only unlock that function, handling privacy very well here. They will only unlock that function if you prove to EDpuzzle that you've done a professional development seminar about EDpuzzle. So that's an odd way that they incentivize sharing EDpuzzle. But I did do another small seminar about this program in another context. I showed them a picture of me posting about that seminar in Twitter. I should say I tweeted about it, and then they unlocked the gradebook feature. So then it shows up more like a typical gradebook that you can export as a CSV file. It's a little more convenient if you're doing a lot of videos. That might be helpful. If you just have a few, doing it manually isn't that big a deal. So I think that's about all the nuts and bolts of it. I hope you enjoy playing with it yourself and learning how to create videos, post videos, assign them to your class, and see the results.